talagang capable para dito sa Pasig Timothy's. Couple of misses.
But we can see ito si J-Mark Lloren na tanggal ang kanyang sapatos kaya na-open.
Big forward para dito sa San Jose, Batangas. Renzo Datarimado comes off the bench pero agad pinasok na siya dito ni Coach Paul as Susitis 3-pointer by Norben Moctimar.
Shooters, mga usual scorers na sila Hinogin and Junior De La Rama.
This is the player. Moctimar to Lloren. Morales, face-up jumper, knocks it down.
And this guy, itong si Morales,
Shoots a layup though.
and like you mentioned, no, tall order talaga para sa mga big men ng Pasig. As you see this shot by J-Mark Lloren, and pero nag-small lineup sila dito. We'll see kung anong kalalabasan, but so far, doing a great job is J-Mark.
Round fitness, B-Liga ready. Amado, sidestep maneuver, goes reverse for the bucket.
And this guy's
Creation na ginagawa dito ni John Arimado. Volante. It's his first 2 points in sa ating ball game. And this is one play. The left, ayaw for that rebound. Alforque ahead to Bayani. Draws the contact and the basket.
just a smart move. Got that contact. That's a pound-for-pound fitness. Foul counted para dito kay Rosel Bayani. Last second. And still go up for a shot. Mahirap na gawin yun.
Snatch ko Ritana. Dipsy-do of his...
Sana to really spark something, a positive energy para sa kanilang bench.
Moctimar. That long 2-pointer.
Than what he usually does. Kasi nga, wala ang kanilang mga key players.
And he gets a block, doing it both ends of the floor. Moctimar pa rin. Completes a layup on the other end. The absence of those scorers, ito yung kailangan. Maybe he needs to look for his shot more dahil mas marami namang field goal attempts. Manakuha ng
Yung attempt ni Rosel Bayani for that pass to Alforque.
Russell Bayani scores underneath once again. Off on the attempt para kay Josh Volante. He does come up with a steal, decides to attack and finishes. Palitan ng turnover, parehong kupunan. Intano with a pull-up. Gets his first 2 of the game. Kabila, Chief Intano. The sweet-looking stroke. Timeout muna tayo, brought to us by...
Yung shoes na naiiwan ni Volante when he comes out of the game, yun ang role ni Sacro.
Spacani gets a 3-pointer to...
Galing dito kay Alforque, just attacking that shaded area and looking for Bacani on that left corner.
Nash Ritana once again, naisahan.
Hopefully for Norben Moctimar, it's nothing serious. Because again, yung role niya, as you see this jumper by Arimado. So back-to-back turnovers for both teams, and here comes John Arimado. Pasig a little more confidence pa.
Back iron there was Hardinigo. They get another chance as David Cruz powers his way inside.
And this guy, David Cruz, is...
You can't help but play 110%. That's what David Cruz will bring you.
Oo, talagang gaganahan ka. And he's not just doing it on offense. Talagang merong advantage doon siya. I think it was Soliano down low against Sacro. So I think babalik-balikan yan. But this is something.
Trying to get it to Baliena but intercepted by Moctimar. Norben gets another basket and flashes a smile. We run to the other end, the 3-on-1. Lloren back to Moctimar. Malakas, but there is J-Mark for the follow.
And this is where Pasig is creative. Yung mga 3-on-1. And after a turnover, yun yung mga sitwasyon na binabagsakan.
Gaitos left all alone. And you don't do that if ikaw San Jose.
I was supposed to ask why.
Benedict Gaitos, one of the deadliest, if not the deadliest shooter dito sa ating laro. At Bon Sacro.
Kung ba niya natanggap yung bola pero tinaas niya para itira yun sa ring.
It's a badly needed basket para San Jose Batangas. Dahan-dahan na bumibitaw itong Pasig and Norben Moctimar. So it's this Baliena. Pass nga dito kay Bon Sacro. There's another look. Okay. The ball did hit the glass first. But still, extreme athleticism displayed by Alforque. Morales, Baliena secures the rebound. Ahead to Arimado. Challenges Moctimar and finishes.
And what about this guy's athleticism?
And as we see Bon Sacro with another denial. Arimado able ahead to Bon Sacro na bitawan na nga but still able to convert. Into nothing run para dito sa San Jose Batangas ICC Blue Hawks. Dropping to Morales underneath. It's an end one.
And that's actually a nice play. Yung defense nag-switch and there's clearly an advantage from Morales against Volante down low of that game 2 in the previous series.
Sacro na naman off the glass for two.
But again, if
San Jose Batangas ICC Blue Hawks in this game number 1 ng ating South Division Finals. High off the glass for
going over that screen, fighting over, talagang masasaktan at matatamaan ka eh.
It is a 4-0 blast as Russell Bayani able to find an opening.
Eddie that knows already how to win. Parang meron silang parang switch eh, na alam nila when to turn that on, turn that off. As you see this 3-pointer from Curetana. Again, on na natin to. And then all of a sudden, everything na gawin nila talagang tatama na lang on their favor.
Bacani stepping in off the glass here by San Jose Batangas. Curetano beats Arimado on the attack once again. Valiena from the corner knocks down the triple.
So this 3-guard combination, itong the offensive Pasig, a little confusion on how they're gonna execute and attack this zone.
Morales, siya naman ang susubok. Bawi naman agad para dito sa Pasig Timothy.
And that's just one way to break that zone, that 3-pointer coming from your big man.
Meanwhile, let's head over to Nicole for a report. Nicole? Wise man once said, Renzo, pakita mo kung sino ka. Dito nga sa ating baseline muli as Jonathan Valiena.
One of those players in that lineup that could play that pick and roll very well.
Arimado napakagat on that fake by Loren. To the corner, Bacani left wide open. His second three of the game.
Sa mga ganong desisyon he can easily make those decisions like what he just did, that corner 3-pointer of Bacani.
Another three.
Trying to get that third one. Hindi nga lang pumasok that time but still a good shot para sa kanya.
Volante, tough turnaround, still able to convert over the defense of Loren.
Great deep.
Drives to the baseline, throws it away. Arimado, straight to the hole for two. Lead got down to 4 once again. This is the closest San Jose Batangas has been here in the third. David Cruz on the elbow. Knocks down another jumper.
And then
just 3 seconds now on the shot clock. Volante with a steal ahead to Arimado. All alone for two.
ng Pasig because they've been attacking that shaded area easily. And when you turn that ball over or you miss a shot, meron agad dalawang guys up top na ready tumakbo.
Llorendo wasn't expecting that pass. Volante with a spin move, high off the glass, too strong. Sacro with a follow.
Right away, which gives itong defenders ng San Jose Batangas to tap the ball from behind.
Norben Moctemar has been silent dito sa ating second. Through Norben Moctemar, 5 straight points. Valiena off the glass for 2. Gaitos for 3. Gonna knock it down. Morales blocked by Sacro. His 5th block, I believe. Siya na rin magtatawid ahead to Volante. Decides to pull up for a triple. Knocks down another. Josh Volante gives the lead back to San Jose Batangas. Able to chase down his own miss. Gets it to Volante for another triple. Gets another one back. Siya lang yung nakaalam eh. Siya lang umabol. Alforque just couldn't answer para sa Pasig. Gaitos will clean it up.
Badly needed basket for Pasig.
All over halfway through dito sa ating 4th quarter. Almost a turnover. Tuluyan na nga maaagawan ng Pasig. Intano all alone underneath for 2.
Close this one out.
Back-to-back turnovers para sa San Jose Batangas. Intano dropping it off to Bayani for the basket. Take another look at that feed from Jeeth Intano. Dropping it off last second to Russell Bayani for his put some energy on the defense to make a much important stop. As San Jose Batangas is clinging on to his 1-point advantage. Llorendo ibabalik ang kalamangan sa Pasig with that one-hander mark. Bayani. Alforque to the reverse short. But there for the putback is J. Mark Lloren. Back-to-back basket. Parang na-bait niya itong si Josh Volante. This was the reverse by Alforque missing but nobody blocking out. Oretana gets it to Sacro. Balik kay Nash. Attacks Intano. Gets blocked by Morales. Sacro though. High off the glass for the bucket.
And then
Attacks the defense. Couldn't convert. Sacro na naman. Still no goal. Bond for another rebound. A second left. Castillo couldn't get it to drop as time expires and Pasig will hold on for a 1-point victory. That's 4 opportunities para sa San Jose Batangas. Just couldn't